Jones, can you delete that Zoom, please?
Christopher that would help. Christopher Ferguson, 2312 CR 319.
You filed an appearance, counsel?
I have, Your
For
Honor.
waiver of reading.
Yes, please. Attorney Dimitri Lev on behalf of the defendant asking for a waiver of reading and entry of plea of not guilty as to all charges.
Thank you. Is there a question of bail, Commonwealth?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll hear you.
Nicole Elaine for the Commonwealth. Your Honor, the Commonwealth is requesting that the defendant be held without bail on these charges, one of which includes murder. The basis of the allegations in this case are that on June 25th at approximately 10:14 a.m., a neighbor, or a friend rather, had gone to the residence at 49 Broadway. The reason for her going there was because there was a planned 50th anniversary celebration and mass that morning, which was supposed to start at 10 o'clock. And the couple who was supposed to be there, named Gilda Demore and Bruno Demore, were not at the mass. When the friend got to the residence, she saw that the side door was unlocked. She went in, called out, nobody answered, and in a bedroom she discovered both of the Demores as well as Ms. Demore's mother, Lucia Arpino, apparently deceased, all in the same bedroom. They had obvious injuries about them. She called 911, police responded, and the investigation here began into what had happened. During the course of the investigation, the police discovered signs of forced entry in the basement. There was a window that was open and screens were pulled out. There was also a door on the garage which was open, and there was a window screen that was dislodged there. During the course of the examination of the inside of the house, there were forensic specialists who processed the floor with leucocrystal violet, which is an agent that enhances the visibility of occult or non-visible blood. And when they did that, the leucocrystal violet revealed bare footprints on the tile floor in the hallway between the bedroom and the kitchen, leading to the area of that back door that had been opened when the friend went in that morning. Police also recovered blood droplets that were near those footprints, and they recovered fingerprint friction ridge detail from several of the windows and the doorknobs in the apartment. The investigation revealed that the last time anyone had had any conversation or communication with the Demores was about 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, June 24th. Surveillance video was obtained from a residence on Albemarle Street, which is about 4/10 of a mile from the residence at 49 Broadway. And the video at about 5:20 a.m. depicted a man who was wearing no shirt, no shoes, and appeared to be staggering. Officers and other people viewed the video, and they identified that person as Christopher Ferguson, who's the person before the court today. The officers, continuing on with the canvass of the area, they found a pair of boots also on a porch on Albemarle Street that did not belong to the residents there. They found a suitcase and a backpack in two different locations. The backpack was found in a field, and it contained identifying information for the same Mr. Ferguson. The police obtained a search warrant to get the footprints of Mr. Ferguson, and yesterday the state police investigators determined that one of the footprints that was lifted from the hallway at 49 Broadway matched the footprint of Mr. Ferguson. Yesterday, an autopsy was conducted on Gilda Demore. The medical examiner determined that the cause of her death was approximately 30 sharp force and blunt force wounds to her head, face, neck, and upper extremities. The medical examiner ruled the manner of death a homicide. The other 2 autopsies are being conducted today. Mr. Ferguson only has 1 prior case before the court, which was, I believe, in 2005 and resulted in a dismissal. But based on the nature of the allegations here, the Commonwealth is asking that the defendant be held without bail during this case.
Thank you. Counsel?
That's assented to. Just ask that that be entered without prejudice at this time.
Held without bail. What date would you like for probable cause?
July 25 for probable cause, and if I could ask that the parties and the defendant be allowed to appear by Zoom.
Yes and yes. July 25th for probable cause. Your motions to impound and redact are allowed. Obviously, counsel can have information.
And I believe he's been provided already.
You bet. We'll see you then.
Thank you.
Held
Thank you.
without bail, July 25th.